Hey there! Are you looking to elevate your online presence with a stunning website? Well, you're in the right place. I'm Maruf, a seasoned WordPress expert ready to turn your vision into a reality. With years of experience, I specialize in WordPress, Elementor Pro, and Crock-A-Block to bring your website to life. Whether you're starting from scratch or need a revamp, I've got you covered. What sets me apart? It's not just about designing a website. It's about creating an experience. I'm all about responsive design, ensuring your site looks fantastic on any device. But it's not just about the visuals. I pride myself on providing the best customer support. Type of website I can make: Elementor landing page, business website, portfolio website, blog website, newspaper website, e-commerce website, listing website, Crock-A-Block dynamic website, custom features website, Shopify store, and much more. Your satisfaction is my priority, and I'm here every step of the way to make sure your website exceeds your expectations. Ready to take your online presence to the next level? Let's work together. Click the order button now, and let's start building something amazing. Don't settle for ordinary. Choose extraordinary. I can't wait to bring your vision to life. Let's get started today.